Hi, my name is Javit. I am from CSDB section. My roll number is 22 G21 A32 B8. I have done my internship in iGenian Worley Ventures in the domain of web development. The review about full semester internship. The course outcomes are like demonstrate the theoretical learning outcomes, integrated theory and practical during graduation, comprehends the industrial practice in relevant and allied field of study, develop communication skills in the term of oral, written and graphical communications that develop. I have developed problem solving skills by the internship. The internship develops a habitat of teamwork in multidisciplinary settings for the successful career after the graduations. Introductions. Introduction like topics on the development I have learned from the internships are like front-end developments and React JS. The objectives like gain real-world experience in building responsive components based on the web applications. Applications like apply theoretical knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript to practical user interfaces. Growth. Improve technical skills through the hands-on building of dynamic web pages. About organizations, the iGenuine is a platform of EdTech companies dedicated to the empowering study students with industrial relevant techniques. It helps students to improve their skills on the basis of industrial demands. The core focus like bridge gap between academical circumference and practical industrial demands. The role in the internship like providing the core platform, mentorship and foundation framework. Industrial partnership facilitated the practical deployment phase at Worley Ventures. Objective of the internship like master advanced CSS for responsive layouts. Flexbox grid are used. Understand the architecture of single page applications SPA. The objectives of internships are like this. Master JavaScript ES6 features of asynchronous programming, design and development reusable UI components using React JS. In integrated front-end solution with the RESTful APIs and external tools. Introductions to React JS. JS means JavaScript. Core engines, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces based on the components. Statement statement management, use of hooks, use state, use effect for dynamical data handling. In the picture we can see that what is React JS, like handler, search bar, profile card, the components based UI, the ecosystems like seamless interaction with npm and React routers, Anxious, and tools and techniques used like core languages, HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScripts are used in core languages. Frameworks like React JS, styling they are used like Bootstrap, Tailwind, CSS, SAS like software as services, state and APIs, Axios for data fetching and content APIs. The tools we can use it for development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, GitHubs, etc. Developments like VS Code, GitHub, Chrome develop tools like Git. The work done activities like requirement analysis, identified user needs, for specific web features, UI UX development, designs, wireframes, and converted them into clean code. Component buildings, created a reusable React components for header, bottom, and forms. APIs integrated the connected the front end to the back end. Services for the live data, testing and debugging, ensure cross browser capability and fixable UI bugs. The work done activities like analyzing, designing, development, API integrated testing. These are the front end full stack front end developments in web applications, web based development. The outcomes of the learning like improved improved proficiency in responsive web design and CSS animations, hand-on experience with React lifecycle and state management, achieved proficiency in building performance optimization web apps, learn to design robust components, hierarchical for scalable code, enhance debugging skills using specialized browser development tools. These are the outcomes of the internship. The conclusion and the further scope. The conclusions. The internship successfully bridged the gap between the academic web theory and professional engineering readiness, like fully prepared for real world web development. Further scope, learning Next.js for server side rendering SSR, exploring the full stack development with Node.js and database, deploying the enterprises level React applications on cloud platform. These are all the conclusion and the further scope. Thank you.